news coming out of Jaipur. At least 4 people have died. 35 others have been injured in a massive fire that broke out following a truck collision outside a petrol pump in Rajasthan's Jaipur. Most of those injured have been hospitalized but are believed to be in critical condition. The incident that took place due to trucks colliding. And to get more on this, we have my colleague Harsha joining us to get us more on this. Harsha, what really led to this collision and this massive fire that has resulted in several people getting injured and at least 4 people who've lost their lives?
Absolutely. So early in the morning on the Jaipur-Ajmer highway, there is a place called Bhakrota, which is just about 10 to 12 kilometers outside Jaipur. That's where this collision took place. This truck was carrying LPG gas, and as you know, it's highly inflammable. So when this collision took place, the gas caught fire, and about 40 to 45 vehicles in the surrounding vicinity have been burnt or charred. Very, very unfortunate news that 4 people, the official government figures have confirmed that 4 people have died in this accident due to burn injuries. But, there are severe burn injuries to the other people who have been admitted in hospital. So I do fear and there is an apprehension that these numbers will go up. The Chief Minister, as soon as he heard the news, reached the hospital, and he has met the medical superintendent there, Dr. Deepak Maheshwari. He's done a round of the wards. The Health Minister, Mr. Gajendra Singh Khemsar, also reached the hospital. All administrative officials are at the spot, including Jaipur Collector. Fire brigades and ambulances are there. The fire is under control now, but, the rescue operations are still underway. Also, a word of caution for anyone driving out on that highway from Jaipur towards Ajmer. Please do not go there. It's completely and absolutely jammed. There is no way that you're going to be able to cross Jaipur and go out towards Ajmer on that highway for the next 1 or 2 hours at least. Traffic is being diverted onto arterial roads, and these too are getting jammed. So a word of caution, because remember, the Jaipur-Ajmer highway is an important highway. Don't venture that side. There is a huge jam as rescue operations are on. Traffic is being diverted, but even the arterial roads are being jammed.
Right, Harsha. Well, of course, this incident that took place as early as 5:30 this morning that's resulted in several people being injured, and the Rajasthan Chief Minister also there visiting the hospital to meet the victims. Let's just listen into what the DM had to say.
4 लोगों की अभी डेथ हुई है। जितने भी आपको व्हीकल्स का नंबर पता है, लगभग 40 के करीब ये व्हीकल हैं। आपने देखा होगा कि चारों तरफ हमारी जो फायर ब्रिगेड है, एम्बुलेंसेज हैं, वो पहुंच गई हैं। सभी विभागों के लोग यहाँ हैं। राहत कार्य चालू है। आग मोटे तौर पे बुझ चुकी है, पर 1-2 व्हीकल के अंदर कहीं आग है, उसको हम बुझाने का प्रयास करें। इसके अंदर घायलों की जो संख्या है वो लगभग 23-24 के करीब। 4 की डेथ है सर? 4 की डेथ।